How to connect the gimbal with the Bluetooth. Connect the gimbal with Feiyu On app. Long press the power button to turn on the gimbal. Turn on the smartphone Bluetooth. Open Feiyu On app. Wait, the automatic connection is completed. Choose pairing. Then, users can control photography by the gimbal. Connect the gimbal to the original camera of the smartphone. Open the setting page of the smartphone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Find the corresponding Bluetooth name of the gimbal. Tap the Bluetooth name to pair. Enter original camera after gimbal connecting with smartphone successfully. Then users can control camera to take photo, start or stop recording. Thanks for watching.